Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the regular puzzles. The regular puzzles of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, October the 9th, 2024, and I've already solved one puzzle, so two puzzles are left. Sudoku with 4 stars and a binary. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. News of today? Well, it's the war day number 959. 959 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Alright, the second puzzle, a 4-star Sudoku number 9405. Before start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 again. Same as the previous Sudoku, but the publisher has indicated this with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. And actually, it should be a 2 stars puzzle because 2 stars puzzle is always 26, 4 stars puzzle 24, and this one for 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes. Question is it a 2 stars or 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. 3. I need a 2. 2, 3, and a 4. Alright. Now. Let me see. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the last row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left on the 4 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, here, or there. We see another 6 in the last column, no 6 there. Another 6 in the column next, no 6 there. Only place left for 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For the most, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be, and the 9 goes there. 1 digit left in the last row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 3, 3, okay. Then, let me see. 6, 6. How about? I need a 2 there. 3. Need a 1 here. 1, 3, 9. Come on. How about? 6 there. Need 6 here. Need a 1 here. Yeah. I'm thinking. 2, 8. Need an 8 here. 2 there. 4, 3, 4, 3, 3, 3, and a 4 here. Where's the opening? Come on, the opening. Need a 7 and 2, 3. 1, 6, 1, 6. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there, so need a 2 here. Yeah, in this row, we need a 2. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. So the only 2 places left for the 2 in this row should be here or there. We see another 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 numbers left now in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Need a 4 here. 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Where's the opening? Need a 6 here also. 6 and a 3. Oh, the 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column 3. Middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be here. Overlooked, overlooked. 9, 9. So I need a 3 here, need an 8 here. Yeah. In this column, the middle column, one of the missing number in the middle column is number 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 8 in the... in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. I need a 1 here and a 3. Yeah, we have a pair. In this column, middle column, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. And look, we have a 1 and 3 in this row. So no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and 1 goes there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 4, 5, and need a 2 here. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5 is missing. 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then, let me see. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2, sorry, yeah, 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and all the 2's are used. I can see this is 1, number 2. I need an 8 there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 in the third row, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 and a 3, we have 1 now in this third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have 3 now in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 6, 7, and need a 5 here. Then two numbers, no, not two numbers left. 8, 8, 2, 2, 3, 3, need a 3 here or there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 3 here. How about the ones? And all the ones are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 1. 5, 9, 6, 5, 9, 6. 5, 9, 7. Need a 7 here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5, 9. 4, 4. Come on, come on, come on, come on. What's happening? What's happening? Yeah. With all the 9s, no. 9, 9, 9. 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. 9, 9. In 9 here. 9. 4, 5, 7. 12 minutes already passed. 4, 5. Need a 7 here. 4, 5. No 4 here. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 4. Here can be 4. We have 4 in this column. No 4 there. Here can be 4. We have 4 in this column. No 4 there. Only place left the 4 in this row should be there. So one box left in this column for number 5 then. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there. So this box will be a 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Alright. 5 and the 7 left. Okay. Think. 5, 7 and the 8. Need 8 here. 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next. On that column, only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this one. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is 3, number 8. 5 and 7. 5 and 7. And then 5, 7 and come on. 5, 7 and 9. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in the first column. No 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left of the 6 in this big square should be there. 6 in the 7. We have a 6 in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left now in this third row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 and the 9 is missing. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. And look, we have 5 and a 6 in the first column. No 5 and a 6 in this box. 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this one, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 7 and the 3. Yeah, 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers 1. The 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in this one, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. Two numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3 to 4, 5 is missing. 7, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left with the 7 should be there. Two numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Two numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 5 goes there. Finishing 50 minutes. Well, definitely a 2 stars. Not faster than 15, otherwise it will be a 1 star. So let me give this a 2 stars puzzle, yeah. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.